Hey there, today's decision topic is on health and we are going to take a short overview of Marma points. I am taking a reference from the AtheneHealing.com. This is a great article on Marma points and this image represents some basic idea about the Marma points. Marmas are also known as the vital points or vulnerable spots as they are life-giving spots of human body. There are 108 main Marma points and they are said to hold life force energy or prana in each of them. The Marma points are ancient healing art or wisdom from India. These points have immense power to heal the body and bring balance in this highly stressful environment of modern times. They can heal many ailments like headache, insomnia, hormonal imbalance, etc. to name a few. And there are many benefits of Marma therapy. I am not going to cover any of these in fact, and will add the link of this article that is from AtheneHealing.com. Marma therapy has success stories on physical and emotional abuse, and Marma points are also called as the hidden or sacred points. In this context, hidden or sacred means the points have the ability to hide emotional memories. And one interesting is, and this Marma points, the brain is only an organ. So quite interestingly, our brain does not store memories. The brain is only an organ. As an organ, the brain sends energy waves to the body and the body reacts to the whatever emotional reaction passes through it. When these emotional reactions are not processed fully, it gets stuck in certain specific place in the body. And the Marma points massages and the Marma points therapy clears all this stuckness and really heals the problem that has been taken for. You will find several articles on the Marma points in Ayurveda healing, and one you can get in the Healthline itself. So healthline.com, health and Marma is the URL. So you can follow this URL to read more about the Marma points. I'm just giving you the brief idea, basic idea. So this is being a very effective healing therapy in the Ayurveda. And you can read more about this if you want to really understand what is Marma point is. And this is all about the Marma points intro, and you can keep watching the next videos. Any video, any topic can be helpful for you.